Well, folks, it's a sad day. In case you didn't know, Tiger's been sick for about a week. I had cause to come home to my parents' old home, and Tiger loved the backyard here. He spent most of the last 30 hours or so out in the backyard, and I was going to take him to see Mom in her assisted living, and I knew he was probably going, but I wanted him to see Mom one more time. Hey, not moving. I was only away from him about 30 minutes the last time. I guess I'll get to bury him in his yard. Good dog. Protector. Million miler. Faithful friend. Oh well. Rainbow Bridge, right? We'll see.